Check this out. It's the Beefy Boys, licensed to grill. We have 2 briskets that are going on the smoker tomorrow for Sunday's UFC fights. Let's trim these up. They've been wet brining for quite some time and get them going. We should be okay.
Wrong, sir. Wrong.
Always remember, black knives matter. Am I allowed to say that?
In a world of senseless pain, my privilege feels profane. Overwhelmed by what I see, heightens my anxiety as I sit behind my desk on a quest for meaning.
Oh, scalp.
This existential crisis weighs like gravity.
Fully trimmed. Look at those. I gave them a little rinse. I don't know if any of you guys have smelled wet brined brisket. It's not beautiful.
Punch the clock, caffeinate, model employee, never late. Blank stare into the screen.
Let's season these things up. Clean hand, dirty hand, heavy on the salt. You are not gonna hurt this guy's feelings by going heavy salt and heavy pepper. A nice healthy coating seasoned in the abyss. Yeah. Damn, Mark, that's a lot of pepper. The reason that you get a nice black bark is lots and lots and lots of pepper. Like an unhealthy amount of pepper. The pepper hop goes away, absolutely goes away, and you are left with a bark. And I know that a lot of people are afraid of it. That's why Iron Maiden wrote a song, Fear of the Bark.
Fear of the dark, Dad.
Whatever. That's what I say. 2 takeaways from this brisket trim. 1, twinning. They always say you don't have a favorite child. But I have a favorite child. Look at the shape of this bad boy right here. So this is why also, number 2, Costco is a terrible store for me to hang out in because I go and look at briskets and I find the shape. This is a perfect brisket. I love him. This one is good. I love him too. I wish he could be more like his brother. These are gonna go back down in the fridge, just like this, uncovered. They're gonna sit overnight until we put them on the smoker kind of bright and early tomorrow, which is kind of unfortunate because it's Saturday and I don't wanna get up early, but that's what's gonna happen. Oh, check out that brisket. Do it on a smoker. Who really knew? If he was just a joker. But he smoked it. And he choked it. No, he didn't. Stop that. What's up, freaks? Let's check on these things, yeah? Check it out. I used to say I didn't have a pot to piss in, but look at me now. Actually, that's tallow, my friends. Look at that golden shower. I mean, golden beauty. This is exactly why we don't throw away brisket trim. Good for cooking just about everything. It's so good. And it's mesquite flavored because I smoked it. All right, let's tempt this thing, the small brisket, because I'm pretty sure it's ready to pull. And that's the one we're gonna do the foil boat on. So let's check this guy out. Let's foil boat this thing. And if anybody has some recommendations for some good heat gloves that aren't so stiff, thick like this, they don't have to be this thick. Like I don't want to touch like 7,000 degree shit. I just want to pick up briskets. Curl it away from the brisket. This way the fat cap is still exposed, will render out still, but you've got your point protected and your flap protected. Oh hi. The foil boated brisket is just about ready to pull off. It's temping at about 191, 192, but it is like butter. Butter. Not butter face, but real butter. We're ready to wrap the big boy. My favorite one. We're going to smack down a healthy dose of tallow onto this paper here.
We're calling all bands, we're calling those who have a sense of something greater than me or than you. We're sick now, you're well, and there's work to do. To all these bands, the city's who welcome to.
Look at that. Look at how easy that is going in. Look at that. Oh. 150 degrees in the oven for it to rest until 4 o'clock. This thing has been resting for, how long has it been resting for? This one was done at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's been resting for 13 hours. And we're gonna bust it open for my good friend Ken's because she can't wait anymore.
Can't part the seas, but that doesn't mean we won't try. Be it heaven or hell, the future belongs to you and I. We're calling all bands, we're calling those who have a sense of something greater than me or than you. We're sick now, you're well, and there's work to do.
Dude, it's so tender, it's sinking in my fingers. Burnt ends here.
Cities who welcome to. The future shines brighter when it's me and you.
Hold on, this might get sight.
Okay, you ready?
I'm so ready. Are you gonna feed me?
No.
Holy shit. Are you serious?
Yeah. Ah, that's amazing.
Wow. I don't want it to end. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
that is damn good.
Wow.
Proof.
Is it perfect?
That's pretty damn perfect. Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's crazy. Thank you.
Let's get this sucker out of here too. This one was done in 13 hours, so it's been resting math time stuff. That was wet aged for quite some time. The other one was wet aged too, and you can tell this texture much different.
A few have the luck while the have-nots reluctantly stomach the pain.
Squishy, squishy.
With all the
Sorry, that never happens.
That's what she said.
Check that out. The wet aging texture is very different. It's almost pastrami-ish. Still, probably won't do a wet age ever again in my life because that was funky. I do not recommend wet aging it for at least that long. It's good for a test, but I'm not a fan. Blah, blah, blah. I don't like that. That's got some funk. I'm not a fan. That was too far. Way too far. Pretty sure that one went too far. But I don't like that color right there. Everything's good, and then you get this like greenish. Yeah.
And it's hard to fight wars with ideas when they fight with their.
The flap's fine. The flap's good. The point? Nuh-uh.
If we can't do this, but I know we've gotta try.
2 briskets. 1 success, 1 fail. I'm not a fan of wet aging. Wet aging, more like wet ass. I'm not gonna do it anymore. So if you want to, you can. The texture is weird, but no go for me. It's a no for me, dog.
Just